Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to show date on status bar on any Android phone. Now to do that, just open the Play Store and in the search bar just search this. Now just install this app. Then tap on open. Now just give this app this permission. Now from here you can select what to show in the status bar. You can select show day, show the month, and show the day of the week. And from here you can select the order of the date in the status bar, just like that. I will select this one, and once you do that, from here just tap on start date bar. Now as you can see, this is how you can show the date in the status bar. Now this application also works if you remove it from the recent apps section. Now as you can see, it is still working. And this is how you can show date on status bar on any Android phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.